everyone and welcome! Do you happen to have a ThinkPad with one of these weird Trapezoid 4-pin power connectors? These were used in the 300 and 700 series laptops and probably a few others. Well, I recently got a 755C, but it didn't come with a power adapter. These power supplies are pretty rare and may cost more than the laptop itself. So what can we do? It turns out there are a few options. According to thinkwiki.org, you could use a JST connector. I tried using JST 2.0 connectors without the housing and they fit snugly onto the power pins. Thinkwiki.org also reports that the Toshiba 4-hole adapter you can get on eBay is of the same shape but has a different internal wiring that may cause a short circuit if you try to use it. These adapters convert the ThinkPad Trapezoid connector to a common barrel jack. I have seen them being sold with some of the cheap universal laptop power supplies. I think I've read somewhere online that some folks have been using them successfully after disabling the G and S holes by drilling them out. Anyway, this video is about the third option, and that is 3D printing a connector. Initially I tried to use the JST 2.0 connectors, but they are simply too big and won't fit in the connector housing. So I experimented with a Dupont connector which has a smaller footprint. The Dupont connector is just big enough to fit the ThinkPad's power pins. All you need to do is take apart the Dupont connector by lifting the plastic tab and fit it into the 3D printed housing. Just like with the original Dupont connector, there's only one orientation that works, because of the plastic tab that locks the connector in. If you have trouble pushing the connector in, you can use some tweezers to force it in, but be careful not to break the tabs. I printed this in PLA and it's quite brittle, so I recommend using hot glue to secure the wires and make sure the connector's tabs don't give in. But before we proceed, I just want to be clear. This 3D printed connector is for experimentation purposes only. Please make sure you know what you're doing to avoid any damage to your precious laptop or causing short circuits that could be a fire hazard. You have been warned. Okay, let's try it out. The bottom of the laptop mentions an operating voltage of 20 volts, but folks online report that the PSUs are usually 16 volts. So I will set my bench power supply to 16 volts just to be on the safe side. And yeah, it works! As always, this project is open source and you can find the sources and STL file on the project's page on GitHub. If you build one, let me know in the comments if it worked for you, or what we could improve if it didn't. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for watching and goodbye.